Hello viewers, how are you? Now see, I can tell when you're videotaping on my camera because there should be a red light right there. That's a red light. It tells me when people are videotaping. Holy crap, my makeup!
Holy crap, my makeup!
It's a mess! What are you trying to do?
I don't know.
Okay, well then let's take this out of Zoom.
It's not in Zoom.
Well, Zoom is moving the camera from here up to my face to like over that. Over that. I make myself into a pig.
Give yourself into a dog.
Kristen, will you be my pig?
What about a dog?
Quack.
You want to buy a duck?
A what?
A duck.
Does it quack?
No.
Does it move?
No.
Does it oink?
No.
Does it platter platter?
No.
That's what a platypus does.
Platter, platter.
Platter platter.
Well, you know what it does?
What does it do? Does it meow?
No.
Does it cronk?
What? No.
Does it?
No.
Does it meow?
No.
Does it meow?
No.
Does it chirp?
No.
Does it oink?
No.
Does it quack?
No.
Damn it, I'm running out of animals. Does it cock-a-doodle-doo?
No.
Does
Just
it
cocks.
cock?
Cock.
Now see, that would be the kind of, what was it, a duck?
Yeah.
That would be the kind of duck that you would put into like a porno video. Cock, cock. Only I would think of that.
Yeah.
Well,
You were Brittany.
Me along with a bunch of other people.
And the people who have already done it.
And the people who have already done it.